Hello everyone, let me introduce our thermal IP camera and with black body device. And in the video, you will see the installation between thermal IP camera and the black body. They have to install at the same horizon level around 2 meters. And the distance between thermal IP camera and the black body is around 2 meters. Then, what is the black body? The black body is used for that you adjust the temperature to detect human body temperature more correctly. And normally, the black body temperature range is around 30 to 50 degrees Celsius. And because this device is used for detection human body temperature with more correctly, so normally we will set the black body temperature on 40 degrees Celsius. Now I let engineer adjust the temperature to 40 degrees. Okay, now black body temperature already adjusted to the 40 degrees. And finish the setting. The second step is to go to the software side. And one more thing I have to remind everyone when you use this thermal IP camera and the black body. The thermal IP camera detection temperature range is around 1 meters. When people go into the detection area part, just remember one thing. Please don't go near the black body so closely because it will cause to trigger wrong and high temperature alarm to the software. Okay,